Hey guys, hi. A week ago, I published my new product called Grabber on the MQL5 market. Right now, it's climbing up the ranking ladder, and very soon it will move to the top spot in the ratings. The audience really likes it, and it's genuinely good. It's a profitable product. And today, I wanted to explain to you how it works and, in general, the story of how it was created. So, to begin with, it was just an indicator. A year ago, I published an indicator on MQL5. Grabber, which very quickly became well known and popular, took the top spots in the indicator rankings and over time received a lot of positive feedback from various users. Over time, I thought that if the audience liked this kind of product, then I would create a trading bot that works completely automatically. And of course, the trading bot. It would be more advanced, more progressive, because I could include things in it that are impossible to add to an indicator. I'll explain to you exactly what I added and why a fully automated system is better than its predecessor, the Grabber system indicator. So, a week ago, I published the Grabber bot on MQL5. It incorporates all the advantages of the manual trading system and a whole bunch of other great features. But first, let me start from the beginning, with the fact that it operates in two modes. The first mode is single trade mode, meaning only one trade at a time, but on one asset. But I should add that this is a multi-currency expert advisor, and it works simultaneously on 10 assets. If you combine all 10 assets into a single profit chart, you get a more or less smooth growth curve, which, as you can see, generates quite a good amount of profit. Every trade that this trading bot opens is protected by a stop-loss order. So, in addition to being profitable, it is also very safe. But I want to point out that there is also a second mode, which is even more profitable. Here, all trades are also protected by a stop-loss, but the advisor can open up to 3 trades simultaneously on a single asset. In other words, it can trade using microgrids. A bit later in this video, I will show exactly how this works. As you can see, the growth curve here has larger trading drawdowns, but the profitability is probably 4 or 5 times better than in the previous trading mode. You could say that 10 times more, but let's get back to the trading system itself. And now I wanted to launch the strategy tester on the MetaTrader 5 platform in the trading mode with 3 trades to show you visually how this trading bot works. So here I have selected the asset, Australian dollar versus Canadian dollar, and I have loaded all the necessary settings for this. In this mode, it trades with 3 trades simultaneously, and I have enabled the visual mode in the tester. By the way, for those who don't know how to use the strategy tester, you'll be able to see all its features now and even learn a thing or two. So we launched the tester, and here I have the strategy tester window open for visual testing. Here there's a slider that allows you to speed up the test and slow it down. Let me start by saying that GrabberBot operates within an adaptive channel, a channel calculated using the Fibonacci formula. This channel adapts to the market. It changes its width accordingly. So, if the market is very calm, the channel will be narrow. If the market gains significant momentum and market volatility begins to rise, then the channel will naturally expand and become much wider. Now I am going to enable the visual grid layout to make it significantly easier for us to observe the bot's automated trading performance in real time, and then I will let the system continue its trading operations as planned. In virtual mode, of course, trades aren't made every minute, but as you can see, here are the first trades, and here it makes a profit. The first thing I want to draw your attention to is that it operates on price reversals. Specifically, this occurs when market quotes move beyond the price channel established by Fibonacci levels. In this case, the expert advisor executes trades only after the price has broken out of that channel and moved past the 61.8% level. This ensures the trend is confirmed before any positions are opened. According to the statistics of this system, this is the best reversal level for this strategy. Second, This expert advisor does not make trades immediately after the price goes beyond the channel. It places pending limit orders. In other words, the price moves beyond the channel in this way. The expert advisor places a limit order trap here. And when the quotes touch this order, it happens at the point of maximum oversold, as in this case, or overbought, as in the other case. Then this limit order is activated, and in this way, we enter a trade at an even better level. This significantly enhances and maximizes the overall profit factor of this specific trading system. So, immediately after the limit order is activated, the system applies its highly sophisticated and almost magical proprietary formula for managing each individual trade, and will successfully exit the position with a profit even under exceptionally challenging and incredibly difficult market circumstances. Now I'll try to show you how this works. So, the expert advisor analyzes the market. The price is still within the price channel, so there are no trades yet. But as soon as the quotes move outside the channel, trades appear, and we enter the market expecting the price to return back into the channel. And the advisor manages each trade and closes it with a profit. As I have previously mentioned, in this specific trading mode, where 3 separate trades are involved, there is a kind of micro-averaging process, which is generally safe as well, because the advisor uses protection for each individual trade. As you can clearly see here, the market volatility has decreased, and the levels of the FIBA channel have also narrowed accordingly. Just like that. The expert advisor is placing new orders. We can speed up this test even more and see how the profitability chart of the trading bot grows. This is how it grows. Let's come back here and we can see firsthand how it works. As you can see, a trade appears there and another trade if needed. And another, and the expert advisor. This system effectively handles any stage of the market. It dynamically adapts its FIBO channel to the current market's volatility, and consistently makes profitable trades on price reversals. Let's go back to the profitability chart and see that it is growing basically without any drawdowns. Right now, as you can see, a maximum of 2 trades are active. This first step is 1 trade. The second step is the second trade. And so, with just 2 trades. That's how it's working right now. In earlier cases, it opens a third trade, which tries to balance the account equity and close all trades with a profit. As I mentioned, limit orders are used, meaning it doesn't enter the market immediately. And here is a trade. Like this, from here to here, and it closed with an excellent profit. In this way, the expert advisor will trade in a fully automatic mode, just like the grabber system operates. But in this case, unlike the grabber indicator, which basically didn't show where to set stop losses and take profits, the fully automated bot uses both stop loss and take profit orders for every trade. And it does this as well. In a clever way, just like the FIBO channel itself, it adapts to the market. And when a new trade is about to happen now, to demonstrate this to you personally firsthand. Here, this was done with Durka, it was activated, it was triggered for a sell. And when a new trade opens, the expert advisor sets the stop loss and take profit size each time. At different levels, because the market is constantly changing, volatility changes, and at certain moments, in some places, the volatility is too low, like here. And in such cases, there's no need to set huge stop losses or large take profits. But in those areas where the channel width is wide, the expert advisor uses wider sizes, stop losses and take profits. In this way, it adapts to the financial market as much as possible. As I mentioned, the adaptation happens by changing the channel width. You can see how the channel changes here. Also, by adapting the size of the stop loss and take profit to the market situation. Now, I will speed up the test so you can see how the profitability curve of this trading bot grows. Here, where we see steps down, stop losses are being triggered. Here, where the curve rises, take profits are being triggered. So you can see that there are many more take profits than stop losses. In this way, the profitability of this trading bot increases up and up, sometimes with some trading drawdowns thanks to the stop loss. But we can be sure that nothing will happen to our capital. Absolutely nothing bad will happen. What I also wanted to point out is that the grabber system works similarly to my trading bot One Man Army. You can see how this can work in the long term. Well, more precisely, here the time frame is half a year. So in half a year, this expert advisor has already accumulated, or rather earned, almost 100% profit using a trading mode with 3 trades and operating according to a specially developed algorithm of mine. Here, the system is a bit different, but the trade management tactics are very similar. And we can clearly see that GrabberBot, just like One Man Army Bot, consistently and reliably grows the capital with these small, deliberate steps. And on the price chart, we witness this remarkably fluid and endlessly beautiful dance of prices and trading orders, where the trading bot systematically generates increasingly higher profit percentages through a series of strategic and well-timed trades. For its users, another good point for those who are not sure about trading systems and thinks that if he buys in, after some time the system will stop being profitable. I told you that this system constantly adapts to the market. This means that it will keep trying to always be profitable. But I, as someone who has been trading professionally since 2007, also adapt this system to the market using the market itself. With the help of a special reoptimization, which I perform every 6 months. In this way, every 6 months I will publish updates, new set files that will make the expert advisor even more attuned to the financial market and its latest changes. Even closer to the financial market and to the latest changes in this market. Right now, as we speak, or rather, as I speak to you, the trading bot is steadily increasing its capital. Day by day, step by step, month after month, your trading account continues to grow. I want you to imagine this process happening in your trading account if you were to install the system on it. Grabber. I'll speed up the test even more. At this point, we can't really understand or see anything, but we can switch to the system's profitability chart and see how the deposit grows in the virtual tester. And let me remind you, right now we're only testing a single asset. The Grabber system actually uses as many as 10 different assets. We'll overlay this profitability chart with another one, so we'll combine the profitability charts of all 10 assets into one. And what we'll get is a detailed profitability chart exactly like this one, which consistently delivers impressive results just like this. I hope you understand how this works. When we virtually combine the equity of all the results in the trading account, we get a total result which is expressed as follows. Here, in this combined growth curve, you see these are the growth curves for each asset, and here we have the total portfolio equity. Let's go back to the test results, and we can see that, although there are trading drawdowns, the expert advisor quickly recovers from losses and shoots upward. The test continues. It's a visual test. We can slow it down to see how it works. Even during drawdown periods, we can observe how new trades appear and how they close in profit. We can go back here and see that the growth curve keeps rising. Now the test is finished. Here is our growth curve for a single asset. Let's combine 10 growth curves from different assets, and we'll get a rapidly growing chart of your capital gains like this. That's all for now, guys. See you next time.